Good morning, everyone. My name is Anandu Sanand. I'm going to present a PPT on the topic sales quota. Meaning of sales quota. Sales quota is the estimated or predetermined value or value of sales expected to be achieved by the sales force over a given period of time. Why to fix sales quotas? There are certain basic reasons for setting sales quotas to salespersons, some of them given by Professor R.R. Still, Professor E.W. Kandif, and Professor N.A.D. Govani. These are to provide quantitative performance standards to motivate desired performance to get more effective cost control to use in sales contests. Factors considered while setting sales quota. Estimate purchasing power, study the past sales, consult facts and opinions, investigate sales policies, gauge the nature and extent of competition. Methods of setting the sales quota. Guesswork method, composite method, performance method. Guesswork method. Under this method, sales executive or the manager combine their rich and varied experience and sound judgment to find out sales quotas for salesmen. Since this method relies on the guess, work thinking and judgment of the executive. Composite method. Normally, a conference of sales executive and sales force is called where the salesperson are to be present the individual sales forecast express their opinion about the likely sales quotas. It is grassroots type of method of fixing sales quotas because it involves the participation of those who are expected to work on the target that are to be set. Performance method. Under this method, the sales of the past are taken as a base of fixation of quota for the coming period with due increase or decrease as warranted by the prevailing market condition. Types of sales quotas. Sales volumes, budget, activity, combination. Territorial based sales potential, total market estimates, past sales experience comes under sales volume. Expense, gross margin or profit comes under budget. Nature of activity comes under activity. Combination of two or more bases comes under combination. Sales volume quota. Sales volume quota as fixed per individual or other units in sales organization level and distributive outlets. They are fixed for the geographical areas, product lines, or market channels, or one or more of this combination with any unit of sales organization. This sales volume quotas may be total market estimates, territorial based sales potentials, past sales experience, executive judgment, composition plan, sales personnel. Budget quotas. Budget quotas are set for various units in the sales organization, control selling expense and gross margin or net margin or profit. The idea underlining budget quotas is to make the sales personnel informed that their job is not merely to attain sales volume above. Budget is of two types: expense quotas, gross margin or net market profit quotas, activities quotas. Some companies set quotas for the activities for their salesperson in order to control and allocate the time of such sales force. A company using such quotas defines the different activities which are commonly or generally performed by the salesperson and also set the target performance frequencies. Activity quotas are appropriate when the salesperson also perform important non-selling activities. Advantage of sales quotas: adjustment of sales and output, appreciation of performance, sizing up the market, useful in sales contest, quotas act motivator. Positivity of ineffectiveness, apple of discord, problem of quota monitoring, warrant is huge finance. Thank you and have a nice day. I hope you guys enjoyed the PPT.